dito. At basa. Tapos may race dito. First day of work. Bukas sa bagong job. So, magliliwaliw muna kami, di ba, Bob? Umiyak siya kasi puro aso yung sa harapan namin. Yeah. Yes, Daddy's getting some food, Bob. Then we are going out. Okay? Kita niya kasi yan, no? Dami nagogo. Tapos, saan na ba yun? May corgi kanina dyan. But yeah. Ito ang pa-view natin, guys. Tapos meron tayong fresh from the sea fish and chips and calamares. Yan. Kain! That's it. Hindi na siya masyado nag-iyak. Pinaihi ko na. This is still hot, Bob. What's hot? It's hot. Ayaw niya. Gusto niyang lumabas. Yan. This is yummy, yummy. Thank you, ha. What fish is this?
Don't know.
Huh?
Not sure.
Okay.
Flake.
Flake. Okay. Flake is sharp, right?
Exactly. Should have bought some lemon and a bottle of sauce.
Well, still have more lemon. You want some?
I'll tell you what, lemon.
I already got enough. This is so yum. See, he doesn't want to eat his calamari. Gusto niya na pasyal. Sarap.
Yeah.
Mainit pa. So good. Maganda din na lumipat kami. Busy banda doon kung saan ito. Is it the only fish and chips? Here?
No, well, over there where we went before.
But that's a bit far. That's the nearest. That's why there's a lot of people.
Food. It's cool.
Fresh enough, fresh. Don't Bob, please. Now you're eating. Look at the dogs. Look.
It's been on long enough.
Yan kasi ang view ni Dozer. Yan ang kanyang mga target. Cute. Ito naman ang ating food. Flake or pating. And chips and calamari. Yeah. Ayan siya, oh. Yan talaga ang view niya. Hindi tumatanggal sa mata niya. Ayan. Daming aso. Ganyan naman dito. Gusto pa ng lemon ni Ron. Yeah, we should have brought the bottle. Yeah, but it's beautiful enough. Kung gusto ko toyo mansi. So nice. Where? Dito guys, ang lamig. Nakashort ako eh. nagkaroon na naman ng sand. It's alright. Dozer is having fun. Say hi, hi. May nag-ano doon na. What do you call that? Kite flying or sailing. Kasi may tao dyan, tapos nag-ano siya ng kite. Parang nakakapagod yun. Ito naman, naninibago siya. First time niya sa first time niya sa hindi basa na ganyan. Buhangin lang. Pauwi na tayo, guys. Ayan ang ating pa-view at pa-sunset view. Ito ang Gold Coast, Australia. Ayan. May pa-bridge tayo dyan. Paano ba makita yung mga ano? Hindi pala makita yung mga boat. But yeah. Yan ang Gold Coast.
I told you they got this bit.
Ayan. What's in there?
Race, boys.
Oh, mag-race sila. Okay. Mag-race daw yung mga mukhang race car. So, yan. Yan ang Gold Coast. Yan. Tapos may race dito in 2 weeks time. So, ito ang gagawin din nilang race track. Ayan. Bathurst 2023. Parang, is it the championship?
It's just Gold Coast 500.
Yeah, Gold Coast 500. Ewan ko anong meaning nun. Google na lang natin. Yeah. So, yan. Ganyan, no? Nag-design na sila ng mga ganyan. Pang rice. Kita nyo ba yan, guys? Ang ganda ng pa-sunset. Medyo traffic na dahil after office hours na. But yeah, ang ganda ng sunset. Hindi lang masyado ma-view. Orange. May pahabol pa si Mayor Sunday, tas ito daw pagdating sa bahay. Diba? Para kay Dozer din. Kita nyo ba, guys? Dito tayo sa malapit-lapit but madilim na. Yan ang European style or Emerald Lakes ang tawag. Yan. Tignan sana namin kung may andyan yung swan. Pero wala si Black Swan. Jumpy ba? Ayan, guys, bumaba na tayo pero hindi tayo pumasok sa Emerald Lakes, sa European style na village or dito lang tayo. Ganda ng sunset. Wala, jumpy na. Good morning, everyone! Day 1 ng ating bagong trabaho. Pale yung makeup ko, no? Ayoko masyadong red. Baka ano. Tinitiis yung sarili kong hindi mag-vlog. Pero yeah, gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang ating day 1 sa bagong trabaho. Day 1 din na ako lang ang magdadrive papuntang trabaho. I mean, busy si Ron. At hindi niya naman ako papabayaan kung hindi siya confident na kaya ko. So yeah, magtiwala lang tayo. Prayers at Google Maps. Yun lang, guys, samahan nyo ako. This will be a good day. Arrived safely, mga guys. Whew. Ayan, it's been a while na nag-ano din ako, na reverse parking. So yeah, alam ko pa mag-reverse. Ayan, so reverse parking. And samahan nyo ako. Of course, hindi ako mag-vlog sa loob ng office dahil first day, hindi ko pa alam ang patakaran. So, yun lang. I'm so happy. Nakarating ng safe. Though, kinabahan ako. Kala ko puno. Yung pala, hanggang level 5 ata ito. But yeah, I'm so happy. Now, let's go to the office. Bahay na tayo, guys. Hindi ko kaya na-check up. Of course, nakakahiya naman mag-vlog first day at Bawal, of course. But yeah, so far, so good. Yes, I'm so happy. Yun lang masasabi ko. So, yun. Andito na si Dozer. Pasok na tayo sa loob.
Bao buns, purely in sauce, and then purely in one on. That's right, enough.
Yes, so today we're going to make beautiful steamed bao buns in our air fry grill steam. And then we're going to actually air fry the chicken pieces as well. So should we get straight into it?
Yes, please.
We're going to open the door first
Okay.
and pop these in here. So it's really nice and roomy so we can actually fit.
Saya-saya. Okay. You can go there if you want. Ganito dito guys, o pag may araw. Tapos may mga little mini yacht sila dyan, parang laruan. Salt water dito. So, yan, first time niyang magganyan-ganyan. Na-amaze siya. You like it, Bob? Bawal dito, kailangan naka-leash pa rin yung aso dito. So, yan. Kaya meron pa rin siyang aling.